Oh, there's good news. And there's bad news. Bad news is we can't go that way. Good news is final morning on this trip. Having monkey bread and impromptu steak stir fried skillet. I don't know. We're gonna hit some more trails on the way home, and that'll be it for this one. Making our way through what looks like to be some, I'm not going to call them oil fields, but they're pretty much oil fields. There's like oil extractors that are running, and I saw a vehicle, but there was no one in it, so I'm assuming that they probably have somebody that's patrolling all of them, just to, you know, make sure. Makes sense. But yeah, just enjoy the rest of the day, and hopefully we'll make it out in one piece.
Here's a good one. Need more space in between us, though. For sure.
Easy, you're gonna need a running start for that. Well, with the trash panda not being at a 100%, looks like I'm gonna have to have him winch up. So I have to back up. Trying to get heat some fuel now. He's quite low. He's also, you know, consumes the most. And we're now on a snowmobile groomed trail, which I don't know what a groomed snowmobile trail is outside of, well, snowmobiles. But holy crap, does a groom mean corrugated? Because it's bumpy. Like, I didn't think I needed to do a shakedown, but I'm definitely going to. It's a full-on shakedown. Shakedown of the truck, shakedown of my gear, shaking me. I feel like I'm all bumpy and breakfast isn't sitting well now. So, yeah. Hopefully at the end of this will be fuel for Keith. Stay tuned. Alright, now I fully understand why it is that GB has had Sasquatch have his blinkers or hazards on the entire time practically. It's dusty. I decided to go behind Chris for this part here after getting fuel. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to take a freaking bath after this. 'Cause it's bad. The windows had to go up, the air's on, I was eating it. I tell you what, dust does not taste delicious. Don't let anybody trick you.
I can honestly say this whole trip, looking at Sasquatch ass. Oh, he loves it. That's a sexy Sasquatch rear end.
After what felt like an eternity of eating dust, the crew ran into a snag as a bridge we planned to cross was closed. This was that bridge, and the beautiful scenery that was around it. There's Keith just panning for some gold, and then I got a bit gutsy with the drone. Oh, there's good news, and there's bad news. Bad news is we can't go that way. Good news is I found out and got back out anyway, with a little bit of help. So, yeah, first I saved Keith, and then Keith has to save me. But mud flaps work. There's very little mud on the side of the truck, and that's only because of me getting in and out. Outside of that, I like these rock blocks. We'll put it that way. This side was not stuck as deep as the other side, as you can tell. Let's see, how deep was the bumper? I don't think it was barely at all. Nope. So, we get to seek an alternative route, because this route ain't gonna happen.
Badlands ain't so bad.
After going down some forestry roads, pictures by the logging operation, and a couple of wrong turns, we ended up in this openness, followed by not so openness. Welcome to Pinstripe Alley. I'm your host, Rocksteady. Today you shall get 1, 2, maybe even 1,000 pinstripes if we're lucky. On your right, you'll see a tree that will pinstripe you. There's also a tree on the left that will also want to pinstripe you. If you choose to do so, it is not my problem. Please consult your auto physician for any further details on pinstriping, and enjoy your stay at Pinstripe Alley.
Yeah, this trail is not, it didn't even show up on the Gaia.
What's on OnX?
Did I ever tell you that this is fun, guys?
Yeah, I'm looking to see. It looks like there might be a tree up here, but I'm also checking at the same time while going. But okay, I think we might be able to go around to the other side, but I'm just gonna see if I can just go over this trunk.
You gonna back up or is that you're gonna go through? He's up in the fucking tree.
The first time I got to use my winch, it was to move a tree. Go figure. How do you overland? Well, first I follow the map, and then I find out that the map doesn't know where I'm going either.
Why is the map lying to me? I feel like my Jeep got their balls tickled.
Oh man, wait. This can't be right. Like, this leads us into the middle of fucking nowhere.
I caught we gotta do it here because I got an open spot on my right.
There's more, but like, it just doesn't seem like this is a right area, and like, the map is now no longer a map. We're just in the middle of a fucking forest area right now, okay? We're still able to keep going, and there's more openings. It's just that, I don't know how the fuck we're gonna get out. Like, there's a river up ahead. It always looks like there's a fucking golf course.
I don't want to straight in, so I don't have to like a half a mile.
Yeah, I got where we at right now. We just show a bunch of trees, no trails, no water, no nothing. But
We might have to go back.
copy that. Let me pull to the right, but there is a big wood. I gotta move it first. One run over it.
It was around this point I stopped scouting ahead and turned back. It was time to go back the way we came.